Google Maps is a powerful tool for navigation and planning. Let's make the most of it by pinning multiple locations. First, open Google Maps on your device. You can use the app or the website, both offer great functionality. Search for your first location by typing it into the search bar. Google Maps will suggest matches for you. Once you've found your location, click on it to reveal more information. This is the start of your pinning journey. To pin, simply click Save and choose a list or create a new one. You're on your way to creating an organized map. Repeat this for other locations. Each one adds more value to your map for easy access in the future. Now, to view your saved locations, go back to the main menu and select your places. Here, you can access all your pinned places. It's perfect for planning trips or sharing with friends. Select any pinned location to see its details or get directions quickly. It's fast and efficient. You can easily edit or remove pins if plans change. Flexibility is key when traveling or planning outings. Think of how simple it is to explore new places with just a few clicks. Get started now. With these skills, you're ready to navigate your world effortlessly. Enjoy planning your next adventure.